Welcome back to the MONAQUISM channel. I know it has been a while, medyo busy lang with work and family, but I'm here with my eldest son, Jeremy, because
Meron tayong school project.
meron tayong school project na tutulungan natin siya kasi it is baking. Yung gagawin natin na pagbe-bake, since wala naman kaming convection oven, is yung pinaka-simple at pwede nyong gawin with your kids at home. Since they're currently on homeschooling, pag medyo bored or wala kayong mapa-activity sa mga anak ninyo na nasa bahay ngayon, especially during weekends, this is something that you can do including them. So, matuturuan nyo pa silang gumawa sa kusina. Okay? Ito lahat ng ingredients, kuya, hindi po ito sponsored, but we welcome sponsorship. So, ito lahat ng ingredients sa gagawin namin. Ano yung gagawin natin, kuya? School project. But, the name of this product is chocolate mug cake. So, kaya ito, may malaking mug kami dito. Panda na very, very cute. Okay. So, lahat ng ingredients, ilalagay na lang namin sa description box. And again, as I have mentioned, tutulungan natin si Kuya Jeremy. So, I'm here to guide him. Hindi po ako ang gagawa ng project. Okay? So, if you're ready, we are as well. Start na tayo. So, natikman na namin yung finished product natin. This is our version of chocolate mug cake. Kasi, pag nag-research kayo online, marami kayong makikita. Sundin nyo kung ano yung gusto nyong ingredients. Ang kailangan nyo lang naman sundin is yung basic, which is yung first part. And then, kung gusto nyo lagyan ng marshmallow, go ahead. Kung gusto nyo lagyan ng crushed almonds, or cashew, or peanuts, bahala kayo. Kung gusto nyo chunkier pa yung dating. But this one is 5/5 kasi yung texture ng chocolate cake is moist. Chocolate moist cake yung nagawa natin. And kung i-compare ko siya sa isang product, kung alam niyo yung consistency ng fudgy bar, yun yun. Okay? And sobrang nagpasarap palalo yung combination ng chocolate syrup and creamer dun sa ibabaw. And again, for the creamer, you can also replace it with a different ingredient like condensed milk siguro kung sobrang sweet tooth talaga kayo, no? Okay? So, kuya, what can you say?
Sarap.
Tingin ko, ito, kasi ngayon ko lang naman ginawa to sa kanila kasi nga, hindi naman ako mahilig mag-bake at wala akong sweet tooth. So, tingin ko, itong product na to, palagi na to, dito, magiging staple na dito sa bahay. Tama ba, Daddy? Si Daddy ang may pinakamalalang sweet tooth dito sa bahay.
Kaya kong gawin kahit tulog kayo.
Okay? So, if sana magustuhan ng teacher ni Kuya Jeremy yung aming pinaggagawa dito. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share it. Comment down below kung meron pa kayong masasuggest or kung any feedback is very welcome in our channel. So, hope nag-enjoy kayo. Until the next one. Bye!